Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really a quick makeup tutorial. This is going to take 10 to 20 minutes depending on who's doing the makeup, and it's an everyday makeup for a busy person or very busy person. So we're using less layers, but we're also achieving this really beautiful look that we have here. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is
So for this sort of makeup where you're not wearing any foundation, it's really important that you look after your skin because your skin is going to be shining through. Even if you're not a skincare girly, you still need to do the most basic form of skincare, which is the one that I do, and that includes using a moisturizer and using a sunscreen over that. So first of all, I'm going to go over my face with a moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be going in with the sun cream. For my brows today, I'm going to be using a brow wax and the spoolie brush.
no caper for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same.
I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to go over the lower button just to sharpen up the look of the brows.
Without you now, I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next.
And that's it. The next, I'm going to move on to my eyelids. Using the same concealer, I'm going to put a little bit more over it just to prime my lids for the eyeshadow.
To you, I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the
So for this quick makeup, you want to use just a single eye color. I would recommend a neutral brown or a orangey sort of blush on your, or orangey eyeshadow on your eyelids, or a golden shimmer color, a shimmery color like this one. So today I'm going to be going for a shimmery color because that's like my favorite kind of look. I wear this all the time.
now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Now,
Because we're not going to be wearing lashes for this look, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution eyeliner.
'cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends.
So here it is, guys. I've now lined my eyes, and yeah.
I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid
So that's
I'm
our
wasting
eyebrows and
mine.
our eyelids
If
done.
you
Now we're
talk
going to move
to
on
me,
to the face. So starting off with the face, we're only going to be using one cream product, and that will be a concealer. So I'm going to be using the same Elegant Pro concealer to brighten my under eyes, and then also a little bit on my chin and then on my forehead.
Again, it be worth it. All my friends are wasting time and
Let me know in the comment section if you think this is simple enough to do on like a daily basis. Do you feel like this is something you can do as an everyday makeup? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend it all out.
wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm.
So for this look, we're only using one single cream layer, and that's the concealer. So we're finished with our cream layer. We're going to then move on to powders. And for powders, we're going to be using a setting powder to set this concealer so that it doesn't move, it doesn't cake all through our day. And then next, we're going to be using a blush. And finally, we're going to be using a face powder to bring everything together. I'm using this Makeup Revolution setting powder. Before I go ahead to set, I'm going to have a look and just go over my concealer with the beauty blender just to make sure there are no creases before I go ahead to set.
'Cause nothing feels the same without you now.
I'm going to be using just a blush just to wake myself up, and add some color to my cheeks.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool.
So with your face powder, you're going to go over to the areas where you've got no products, no concealers or blushes, and then also all over your face, just to bring everything all together and make it really seamless.
Been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting. I'm afraid it's too late. Spring brings flowers, but they all dried up. They remind me of what once was. I'm talking us, me and you and I. It's been a ride, I'm tired, like Nick Cannon and Mariah. Been riding out, fueling fires again. What's this, like the 6th time since we first met? When you call, I can't fight it. Something in the way you move, keep on drawing me in. Those lips I know so well, they excite me. Said I know them like the back of my hand. I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest.
So just as a finishing touch, I'm going to be going over the tip of my nose and like on top of my lips here with the same shimmers that I put on my lids.
I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting. I'm afraid afraid it's too late. It's not that I don't trust you, I don't trust myself. I said patience is a must, boo. Things will turn out well. Lost count of.
So this is the makeup done and it's finished. It's quite quick and easy, less product use, but it still comes out looking really, really good. So let me know in the comment section, is this something you're going to try out, and tell me, is this what you consider an everyday makeup look? So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let's have a little chat right there in the comment section. See you again in my next video. Bye.
I know that you